Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Hello everyone, this is Rizwan, you watching to Sparkline. Today we are going to unbox mini rechargeable fan. This is I have bought it in Amazon.in. Let's get started. This is the portable multi-function fan and rechargeable fan. This is the pack, looks like this. It's a nice one, but little got crushed in the packing. It's a very smaller size. Let's open this. I got this in pink color. There is a different color also available, but randomly given. Inside the box I can get one fan, one USB cable, and there is a one more battery I inserted. This is a battery 2600 milliamp battery. It's a completely rechargeable. The recharge capacity it will be up to 5 hours. It's a very smaller size. The build quality is very nice. It's a fully fiber. Finishing is very good. Quality wise it's really amazing. There is of buttons on off, and there is have 3 different of level. You can increase the fan level. Just I have recharged. This is the one. Little higher. Getting very nice hair. This is 30. Inside have 4 smaller fans, plastic one also inside. If you press this longly, you will get the LED light. This one you can hang it in anywhere in your walls, on the tables. It's a very lightweight, it's not so heavy. It's a very compact one, you can carry with the bags. It's a very nice product. You can be buy it. Getting very nice hair. Listen this sound. Not that much. If you're really interested in this product, I'll give you a link in the description. You can check that. I bought it in 287 rupees, including delivery shipping charges. In this video, that's all guys. If you like the video, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll see you on next video.